their money again.
Come on.
A bank transfer scam has left a huge hole in an Oceanside couple's life savings. In February, Mark Beardsley was tricked into wiring $68,000 of his own money overseas after a large sum of money appeared in his Wells Fargo checking account.
Send your bank account to me, you'll never see that shit again. Bring a Chase account to me, and I'ma drop a check for 10. I'm not a rapper, but to cover up, I might pretend. I'm the reason why there's more fraud, I made a trend. Why would I ever scare my fans? We can split it down the middle. Do you have an SSN? Do you work at T-Mobile? If you do, lock me in. Cause I could punch 100 phones in 2 days without walking in. That's $100,000 in 2 days. Punch a phone or hit a, we can make that in 2 ways. I came a long way from playing on 2K. I'm not sitting on the game, I'm outside busting a play. You're not rich, but I am, we don't relate. I'm a multi-million-dollar criminal with super pay. Richest rapper from my city and my state. Every time I leave a house, I got bitches yelling my name. Every time I get around a bitch, she begging for my chain. You sell pics on OnlyFans for $5, that's a shame. It's a $140,000 pendant without the chain. If I let you wear this bitch.
Huusor tädi ütle. Jaa, ütle huusor tädina. Minana.
Äkki sulle sobib, näed, paneme niimoodi kalbi sisse.
Ma võtan üles pärast.
Sa oled mingi lambikritter paha suu kinni.
Fuck, ma kostasin kõik ära. Ma sain siia mingi 10 giga juurde. Ma ei tea, kõik on kadunud lihtsalt. See on norm.
Miks ma lasta ei saa teda?
Ei taa, mul siuke sobib. Mul siuke hea.
Ma siis proovi ta peale sihtida. Ma ei saa lasta.
Tere, Nike.